Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you a very effective face mask that get you a glowing and remove a suntan, dark spots, pimple spots and acne spots. So let's go how to make this face mask. At first I need a fuller's earth. If you have a no fuller's earth in your at home, then please add sandalwood powder. And second I need rose water. So this is my two ingredients that make my face mask, and I show you how to make this face mask. I take a spoon and at first I take 1 tablespoon fuller's earth. If you apply this face mask on your hand, neck, legs and full of your body, then apply this fuller's earth 2 or 3 spoons. Now I add rose water and 1 tablespoon. Now mix this face mask. It's so easy to make this face mask. My face mask is ready. Now I show you how to apply this in your skin. I take this ball in a side, and also I take a brush to use this face mask. This face mask is a help to remove all the dark spots, dark circles and wrinkles types of problem in your skin, and also remove suntan and also get a glowing whitening face. You can use this face mask full of your body. Try this face mask 3 or 2 times in a week, and if you get a instant result and also get a immediate result, then also take this face mask regularly of your skin. This face mask is a no harm of your skin. Leave it 5 or 10 minutes to let it dry. See how much glowing of my skin. This face mask is a very effective and also get an instant glowing face. Try this face mask 3 or 2 times in a week. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel.